If you're considering ShipAccel for your business, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. I'll break them down for you, and trust me, by the end of this, you'll have a much clearer idea of whether ShipAccel is the right fit or if you should keep searching. Stick with me till the end because I've got some important insights that could save you a lot of time and money. First off, ShipAccel offers a sleek, all-in-one shipping solution for e-commerce businesses. It combines everything you need to manage shipping from rates to tracking, all in one interface. What sets it apart from competitors like ShipBob and EasyShip is how streamlined and intuitive their platform is for small to medium-sized businesses. If you're tired of dealing with clunky interfaces and convoluted integrations, ShipAccel might be your breath of fresh air. It integrates seamlessly with most major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, ensuring no headaches when you're setting up. Next thing you need to know is how ShipAccel handles its pricing model. Compared to competitors like ShipStation, ShipAccel is much more flexible, offering tiered pricing based on volume and specific needs. Whether you're a startup or a rapidly growing business, you'll find pricing that suits your budget without locking you into long-term contracts. So, if you're looking for something that scales with your business growth without breaking the bank, ShipAccel could be a major win. Now let's talk about its customer service. A huge plus with ShipAccel is their support. Unlike some competitors who take days to respond, ShipAccel's team is known for their quick turnaround time. You'll have access to 24/7 support through live chat, email, and even phone calls, ensuring you're never left hanging. This level of support is something you don't always get with others in the space, especially in terms of responsiveness and personalization. The fourth thing you should be aware of is ShipAccel's integration with major carriers like USPS, FedEx, and UPS. While other platforms might limit your options or require additional add-ons, ShipAccel connects you with all the big players right out of the box. This gives you flexibility in choosing the best rates and shipping options for your specific needs, and that's huge for optimizing your bottom line. It's one of the reasons why businesses love using ShipAccel over others like Shippo, which might offer fewer carrier options. Next up, ShipAccel is designed to scale with your business, and its automated features are a game changer. While platforms like ShipWorks or ShipHero can get pretty complex, ShipAccel keeps things simple. It automates repetitive tasks like label printing and tracking notifications, allowing you to spend less time on logistics and more time on growing your business. This is especially valuable if you're a growing e-commerce store that needs to streamline operations fast. The sixth point to consider is the user experience. If you're new to shipping software, ShipAccel is refreshingly easy to use. Its user-friendly dashboard ensures you're not left digging through complicated features. Unlike some of the more advanced platforms, which can feel like they're built for experts, ShipAccel is designed for anyone, whether you're just starting or scaling up. Finally, the last thing to keep in mind is the free trial offer. Before you commit to anything, you can try ShipAccel out for free with no risk. The first link in the description will give you exclusive access to their best free trial, so you can get a feel for the platform and decide if it's right for you. And trust me, taking advantage of this is worth it, especially since it gives you full access to all features, so you can test out exactly how well it fits your business. So, if you want to try ShipAccel and see for yourself how it compares to the competition, be sure to click the first link in the description for the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your shipping process without the hassle.